So here we're back for another exciting episode where we enter into the realm of a dynamic world of incredible industrial machines operating at peak efficiency and performing such types of hardest tasks that seem impossible to the eyes. The operators of these machines have a strong grip on them because they don't have a second option. A little mistake you make and a huge disaster occurs. So sit tight so you can save from those blunders of the operators. #1 Wheel Dozer C824C. This Caterpillar's giant is a next-level performer that has a strong steering for having a strong grip over the situation. Yeah, situations like mining, cleaning up the underground, or maintenance of the roads. Its stick system is a fusion of directional selection and gear selection to control speed and grip, and to cover up the single lever to enhance the mechanical response and firm grip on the control while decreasing operator fatigue. In addition, its hydraulic steering can sense the type and weight of the load, enabling the wheel dozer to pinpoint machine control while it is loading. Whoops! #2 Rock Saw Excavator. When this engineering prowess meets the raw material, the brimming with innovative technology gets the flicker like the rock saw excavator. The excavator can entertain both single-blade and multi-blade configurations. Its saws provide a broader cut than the standard cut. Furthermore, it can be an on-site replacement that boosts the yield. In tough terrain, such as keeping cut through 50 to 60 megapascal sandstones, Rocksaw can get a production rate of up to 75 cubic meters per hour. OMG, #3 D475A8 Bulldozer. This is huge mechanical equipment that is generally designed for ripping solid rocks, mining, and clearing up around the drag line. This is operator-friendly as it has a joystick to control the situation and enhance productivity. Oh, good God. This boom generates a horsepower of 890 HP at 2,000 revolutions per minute. And because of its high weight of 254,195 pounds, it sticks to the ground. Additionally, its lock-up torque converter boosts power transfer, minimizes recycling, and double up production. What else could you expect more from a machine? #4 Semrock Cutter Wheel. This is the latest amalgamation of technology and engineering mastery. It does not only perform deep abrasives, but also features 2 hydraulic torque motors per wheel that generate a powerful force. This force is suitable for medium hard rock with over 11,600 psi, having one axis, compressive or reinforced concrete. These wheel cutters can cut 39 inches deep while covering a large variety of various operational conditions. However, the amazing fact about them is that DMW cutters can do their job even underwater 100 feet deep, making it ideal for canal demolition projects. Doesn't it sound super exciting to you? #5 Simex RWER. This giant has turned the world of industry upside down. Yeah, it is designed for working with heavy excavators. Its particular design is to operate in narrow trenching, hard surfaces, and compact terrains such as asphalt, cement, and rocks. Also, they are considered as the ideal for fiber optics installation. Each of its features, which you can use according to your requirements, can be turned manually and hydraulically in both ways. Still, cutting, knocking down, and trenching are some of the ideal tasks for the Simex RWE. Feeling heavy? Yeah, me as well. So, give a thumbs up to the video, otherwise I'm gonna crush you under these heavyweight machines. #6 Fan Bucket Wheel. Although the name is showcasing its major feature, however, still there are so many characteristics that are yet to be described. First of all, it is such a gigantic-sized excavator that has a width of 2.401 m, a weight is about 591.9 kilograms, and a length is about 9,903 ma. These numbers vary according to modules. Primarily, it is designed for continuous digging, but it is winning the open pit mining operations by its outclass performance. The operator uses the wheels to cut a whole part of the ground. By using slewing, the operator reaches out to the ground in a horizontal range. #7 Crambo E-Mobile Shredder. This next level of technology is a masterpiece of engineering, as it does not have an engine but works with an electric motor that helps in keeping its energy, efficiency, and low cost, as the auto motor is completely maintenance-free. Moreover, this motor decreases the cost by 50%. As per environmental impact, this machine is also ideal because it has no noise and no emissions. So, in each aspect it offers a whole of something. In many scenarios, it is considered the best for dealing with green and wood materials. Sounds great, thumbs up to this. #8W Gun Surface Miner. Its manufacturing started for marine construction. This is a personification of innovative technology in digging operations. Surface Miner is designed for cutting tools and drums, usually made of tungsten carbide or other solid materials. Its drums work while rotating, cutting the ground, and ejecting the material. As the drums further proceed, they automatically dislodge the material, and its minor tools can specify an area or layer that helps in less wastage and minimum environmental pollution. Wow. #9. Gigantic magnet. This gigantic magnet's strength permits the force to grab and pull various materials without making hard efforts. Material handling tasks are considered the specialty of this technology. It handles heavy loads with its magnetic power, though it sounds easy. However, when it begins to perform, it looks scary to the eyes. And its versatility in industrial and construction sites makes it more magnetic and grabs everyone's attention who belongs to these categories. This showcases its effectiveness in object manipulation. #10 Cymex RWE 100. In the realm of excavators, the Cymex RWE 100 stands tall always as it deals with a variety of weight capabilities. Also, it caters to both horizontal and vertical cuts. Even this is also making a headlight about performing underwater. That is why it is making progress in versatility. While operating, it maintains its performance and is also well known for demolition, set section trenches, and maximum torque cutting. How the innovative machines have changed the course of lives. Share this technology with your friends, or I will share your YouTube with these gigantic gadgets to turn them into sand too. #11 XC30 Eccentric Crusher. This grinding gadget is manufactured for crushing rocks, chopping solid materials, and recycling crushed ground material. It is made of Hardox 400 and is known for its aversion to wear and high stresses. Its clean lines and vigorous construction permit this machine to stand studded through thick and thin working conditions, like it really turns the asphalt and solid rocks into sand. The bucket, how it carries the material and then begins to turn them into mud and sand. The whole procedure looks real fun, but hat off to the operator who is an outclass performer and knows how to do a great job. #12 P995 Pontoon Excavator. This amazingly huge machine has a surprising weight. While operating, its weight is 3,360 tons. Only the engine's output is of 1,750 kilowatts that generates 346 horsepower. This monster machine can dig up to 74 feet deep. To enjoy its whole procedure, it is designed with a panoramic window. And yeah, don't forget its cutting force is 657 K and the burst force is about 774 K. It's the longest machine of a pontoon containing a 53-foot monologue. Oops, #13 Dual Power Road Train. This monstrous long train is a huge source of reducing the cost and saving the time in transporting. Barges or payloads of over 500 tons and unlimited range of covering the longest routes are now not a problem anymore. You perform higher production procedures at such a low cost. Yeah, you can say it is a game changer in terms of low cost and rapid efficiency. #14 Manitowoc Model 18000. When you see this cutting-edge machine performing, your eyes will come out of their place and your mind will stop for a while. This Colossus machine could carry 750 tons. But yeah, thanks to its easy and self-assembly. Moreover, its boom head permits you to resolve those problems that you face on a construction site. Its several variants boost its balance on the base that enables the hook to lift the weight in a most smooth way. Boom! #15 MPR Crane. This versatile crane is based on a consideration of freely suspended axles and structural sturdy frame. The exceptional wheels give super haulage and mobility. Also, this magical crane works outclass against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. The limelight increases when the features such as safety belt, fire protection, explosion protection, and specific design for seats generates a vibe of sound environment. Wow! What more could you ask for? Don't skip any part. Proceeding further, we are about to expose one of the top hydraulic machines. #16 CM Hoist and Tower. The manufacturer of this equipment offers the most complete, reliable, and valuable weight-carrying solutions for each of their customers. That's why they introduced this mammoth creature, which has a 344 feet length. Well, talking about performance, this is 100 times better than the equipment of the same tonnage class. This boom can be utilized in huge wind turbines maintenance tasks. Even it can carry the main superlift and still can go through narrow or culverts that sounds more feasible for urban. #17 875E. Though this baby looks very innocent but has two options. One is loading and the other one is lifting or handling. And its boom performance in the most challenging circumstances stands tall. Manufacturers have also installed a touchscreen display that monitors and controls the machine in a most wonderful way. And yeah, don't forget, it is an easily accessible and most trustworthy baby machine. #18 Roxcon Refinator H4. This marvelous H4 hydraulic refinisher was manufactured in Western Australia, particularly designed for enhancing the yield and pasture productivity in the crops. That one I was talking about a few minutes ago. So, the purpose of this creation was also to bring wellness in rough soils. It has a width of 3 m and in the field, this equipment can speed up at 13 km Well, farmers can operate about 10 hectares a day with this magical machine. #19. Rockhog 1150. This version of Rockhog has been specifically manufactured for constant open pit mining. This blend of powers drum is 312 centimeters wide, and this is the reason for its utilization in deep excavation projects. Its operating weight is 50 metric tons, and it has a 140 horsepower engine. Lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and trench-tronic versions are the key features of this machine. #20. Concrete shears meet this beauty, although this is also a demolition machine. However, it has its own specialty, and it is fast-serving while working. Its lifting capability is 16 tons that adds more spark to its limelight. It is considered for the most industrial and infrastructure projects. Furthermore, this also can be utilized in deep waters and mowing tasks in depths more than 98 feet. Whoops. These machines are hilarious. Seriously, guys, don't you think so? Reply fast and share your views, to which we love. Stay updated and stay safe.